Welcome to the Mason Pot fam. We're unboxing the OG bundle, quickly gaining in popularity on our site. The kit's still beating it out, but the bundle has been doing really well, guys. So I just want to show you what's inside. We've made a couple tweaks to how it comes that I'm very excited about. And this is a great way, if you infuse a lot, especially, or just want to do several infusions at the same time, this is really the way to go. I like to say, like, if you're somebody that likes to prep your food or get prepared with your food at all, this is like a great way to do that with your infusions and edibles. So we open it up, got our magnet on top, little extra foam there, couple extra bands we got sealed up, little gummy mold, guys, little handwritten card as always. Welcome to the fam. You made the right choice with the OG bundle. Stoked for your first Mason Pot infusions. Also included a free gummy mold because we love our OGs. I wrote that and I forgot I put it in there. That's freaking hilarious. Another magnet, but this is how it comes here. We do 2 different kits and you'll see what I mean by this. As we always do, a nice packing job on these guys. Let's unwrap this first one. Right there. There's the kit itself, the whole infusion kit. And now on this one here is what the extra jars are going to be stored in. Let's take all this packaging real quick and just kind of move it to the side here, guys, so we can get a better view here. Take off both these sleeves and pop these open, guys. Extra bands, mold there, perfect. Okay, so let's pop the kit open first. This is the main kit here, guys, that we have by itself for $99, and the OG bundle, $139.99, comes with all this extra goodies here. Now, fam, let's open up the kit real quick. We'll go through it pretty quick because we already have a lot of other videos on this. Scan the QR code to get it started, the microfiber cleaning cloth here, an extra band that always comes with the kit. Now let's go ahead and take out the jar here. Inside here we have the press, we have the fine strainer, we have the Mason Pot jar itself with silicone sleeve, has a pot hole in the back so you can see what's going on with your infusion here. Simply take this. We have the lids right here, comes with an extra piece here too. Let's open it up here with the knife real quick so you can see exactly what's going on. I'll just walk through it real quick with you guys in case you haven't seen any of our other videos. If you have, this probably already looks familiar. So the piece here with the silicone ring right here, guys, we're just gonna simply stick it on top of the jar. You're gonna take the band. Well, you'd obviously add your flour in there or concentrate first. Take the band, take the probe piece of the thermometer, stick that right in there, make sure it touches the bottom. You'll be ready to decarboxylate. We usually do 240 degrees for 40 minutes. You'd plug that into the digital thermometer here. And then last, but certainly not least, we have the Mason Pot puck that's used in coordination with the press to get every last drop out and then run it through the fine strainer. So that covers right there the kit, guys. Now here is the OG bundle add-on. Let's crack this open real quick. I'm really happy about this. We weren't putting it in another tin lunchbox before, but I was thinking everybody's loving these 10 boxes. Let's make it cooler. Let's add a little more value to it. And we pop this open. Comes with an extra microfiber cloth as well. And then we got our extra jars here. So also, let me break this down fully. A couple more extra lids that are right in the center there. Inside one of these jars here comes something else that comes with the OG bundle, is the bamboo tincture bottle here, guys. Comes with a nice little metal funnel. Other jar here. So we have 3 jars total. The beauty of this, guys, is you can do several infusions at the same time, just like so. So let's say this was all flour that's already been decarboxylated right here in these 3 jars. We could do butter, coconut oil, MCT oil, olive oil, butter, Blue Dream sativa in here, Godfather OG, skunk candy, any strain that you can think of. You can do different strains. You could do a concentrate in here. You could do something else in here, guys. This is what I'm saying is the biggest part of the bundle, is being able to just do 3 infusions at the same time while still keeping a perfectly accurate temperature throughout the decarb and infusion process. What's going on exactly inside the jars here. Then right after that, let's say the infusion's done, we've decarbed it, we've infused it for a couple hours. All we're gonna do now is just drop our puck right in, push it down, press it out, pour it right through the fine strainer, and we're gonna do the same for each if we're doing it 3 batches, guys. That's a breakdown of the OG bundle, the best addition that I think to the game, and we're ready here for the OGs and newbies alike who wanna be the OGs. Whether you've infused or not, just remember, we have that first batch guarantee and a 30-day money-back guarantee, guys. We'll catch you on the inside of Mason's Pot. I said Mason's Pot. I kind of like that too. We'll catch you on the inside of Mason Pot for some dope infusions, cool recipes, treats, and just an awesome, thriving community of infusion enthusiasts, guys.